Have you noticed that the temperature is getting hotter? Heavy rains get destructive and crops are hard to grow. These are not just natural events. They are signs of climate change. Climate change is a long-term change in global or regional climate conditions. It causes extreme weather patterns like shifts in temperature. Before, it was caused by volcanic eruptions or changes in the sun's emission. But since the mid-1800s, human activities like burning fossil fuels and deforestation have become the main drivers. When the climate changes, everything changes. In the environmental dimension, it causes rising temperatures, melting ice, sea level rise, and extreme weather. In social dimension, it increases health risk and displacement of people. In ecological dimensions, it reduces biodiversity. Many species migrate to survive. Other key dimensions of climate change. Economically, it causes massive damage to property, yet it also causes growth in renewable energy industries. Politically, it requires strong international cooperation, but debates over climate justice and responsibility continues. Technologically, solutions like renewable energy are emerging as powerful tools to reduce emissions. Finally, the ethical and moral dimension reminds us that while developed nations are responsible for most emissions, it is the poorer nations that suffer the worst impacts, raising deep questions of fairness and justice. Here are some causes of climate change. Greenhouse gas emissions from burning of fossil fuels. Heat trapped in the Earth's atmosphere leads to global warming. Loss of forests reduces carbon absorption and disrupts climate patterns. Industrial activities emit greenhouse gases and pollutants, which significantly contribute to climate change. Climate change brings both natural and human-driven changes that disrupt the ecosystem and the Earth's balance. One of the most evident is global warming, where rising average temperatures accelerate the melting of ice caps and glaciers. This directly contributes to sea level rise, which increases risk of coastal erosion, flooding, and stronger storm surges that threaten communities. It also drives more extreme weather events, altering rainfall patterns, creating longer droughts in some areas, intense floods, hurricanes, and typhoons in others. These shifts lead to a loss of biodiversity, as many plants and animals struggle to adapt, resulting in declining species and weaker ecosystems overall. Air pollution is the contamination of atmosphere by harmful substances including gases. It can have detrimental effects on human health, the environment, and the climate. These are some of the causes of air pollution. Burning fossil fuels. Factories, power plants, and homes burn coal, oil, and gas, releasing harmful gases that cause smog and global warming. Ash and gases scattering in the air caused by volcanic eruptions lowers air quality. Forest fires produce thick smoke and particles that pollute the air and destroy trees that absorb carbon. Farm machines release exhaust, while animals like cows produce methane, a strong greenhouse gas. Cars, planes, and ships emit smoke and toxic gases, a major cause of air pollution. Water pollution is the contamination of water bodies. This pollution degrades water quality, making it toxic to humans and the environment. These are some of the causes of water pollution. Industrial waste. Factories dump chemicals into rivers and seas, poisoning water and harming fish. Leaked oil from ships covers the sea, killing marine life and corals. Marine dumping. Trash like plastics and glass pollute oceans and injure sea animals. Fertilizers and pesticides. Chemicals from farms wash into rivers, causing algae to spread and fish to die. Climate change is more than an environmental issue. It affects societies, economies, politics, technology, and even ethics. Its impacts are global. But solutions exist through cooperation, innovation, and responsibility. The challenge is urgent, but so is our ability to act.